When all of your data is in one place, you can report on all of your data in one place, right? It means not having to switch between 5 different tools, from looking at lead flow to close one new business to the total state of our run rate in one central reporting environment. Being able to dig into the day-to-day metrics of running a sales, whether it's our pipeline for this quarter or understanding the efficiency and effectiveness of our team when we think about funnel conversion
That's a
or
nice
the amount of
looking
time
funnel
deals are
diagram.
spending in stages.
Well,
Design is definitely, a very big focus. We think, again, using your CRM should be a pleasure. When I want to take action of the data within my CRM, who are those 7 customers that canceled due to feature gaps? I can drill into that. How big are they? How long have they been customers? Add these customers into a list to go have someone act on.
Amazing.